This video is sponsored by LiberNovo.
I'm not quite sure what we were thinking having me host the video on a computer chair for big and tall folks, but we did, and here it is. This is the LiberNovo Maxis chair, and we've got the variant of it that has power, which I'm not 100% sure what it does yet, but I'll figure that out in a moment, as well as a built-in fan for, I guess, wafting your farts up so you can smell them better? No, for preventing SWAS. It turned on automatically. Is that a thing? That's pretty cool. I am obviously, joke from the intro aside, not the most qualified to evaluate the ergonomics though. So actually, we brought Reece on set.
I'm big and tall.
Also talk about the building process.
Yeah, it came with a lot of parts here. Insert the footage now of me building it.
About how long did that take?
It took about half hour.
Really? No, I think the editor did it pretty fast. They cut it together pretty fast.
Anyway, that's that. Yeah, it was pretty simple, pretty good. I don't know. It was different. There's like USB plugs and...
You mentioned it was really heavy.
It is extremely heavy. Okay, maybe he's just extremely strong.
First, I gotta confess, usually I make Colton do the chair unboxings, not because I think that he's especially good at them, but because I just don't really know what to say about a chair. Let's have a look at all the different adjustments that it has then. Headrest adjustment, if you happen to be a even taller boy. I think this does even more. Oh yeah, there we go. Ooh, okay, that's cool. This has become a popular back panel style. They're calling it their dynamic support system. So basically you've got like almost like a mesh-like front layer here. You can see it actually sits quite a bit in front of the foam, which is then on top of, they've got 8 panels in their dynamic support system here. And then this is where things get really interesting. I appear to be looking at a motor and like some kind of hydraulic action here.
Yeah, it just powers the fan and the Ergo Pulse motor system, or piston, or whatever you want to call it.
Oh, it's adjustable lumbar?
Yeah, this is where the electricity comes into play. So on the handle here, there's 2 adjustment buttons and you can move it in and out. And there's a fun mode as well that we'll show later.
It does seem a little over-engineered for something that you would probably mostly adjust once, but it's cool.
Well, that's the thing, like you don't just adjust it once, because if you, let's sit you in the chair and watch this, buddy. Let's turn the fan off so we're not distracted right now. We turn on the Omni-Stretch mode and his back is getting flexed up, buddy. You just wait. You feeling flexy?
I'm trying to wrap my brain around it. Hold on, first I need to adjustimulate this a little bit.
Oh yeah, we can also have you lean back.
Okay.
So you're not even experiencing the full range of movement here.
Where's the lean back?
So down here. So you have to sit up.
Oh, okay.
You can go all the way.
Really?
We can go all the way, Linus.
Reece,
sit
for
up.
crying out loud.
Sit up.
Okay, hold on.
Go all the way.
No, I could, wait.
And now, oh yeah, massage is still going.
It's not a massage.
It's like a stretch.
But it's not bad.
It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it's actually like kind of relaxing.
Well, let's get you even more relaxed with the footrest. That is not included. You got to buy it separately.
Am I supposed to nap? Like, is that your goal right now?
With this thing? I don't see why not. Look at that. Wow, now you're comfortable. So you can be chilling and chilling.
Yeah. Oh, I was actually about to. Wait, is there 2 levels?
Yeah, there's 2 levels.
Oh, there's 2 levels. Okay, so when it's white, it blows just a little bit, and then when it's blue, it blows more. As someone who is a bit of a warm running boy, cooled seats changed my life. A fan probably would have sufficed, and it is already cooling my bum. Oh, okay, this is pretty nice. So you've actually got multiple stop points instead of just, I sit like this all day, and this. I am a hot dog.
You can also adjust the tension with the other little knob there.
Oh no, this one.
Yeah, sorry, that
What's
one.
this guy do?
That's the up and down. You already have the lowest, yeah.
Oh, it's already at the lowest. I mean,
it is for big and tall. His feet are dangling. So that initial little bit we did is not inaccurate.
It's designed to fit people up to stop it. It's designed to fit people up to 6'7". It doesn't work if I put a word in between. Okay, hold on. I want to try out this tension knob. Part of this tension adjustment is just to get it the way you like it, but part of it is to compensate for the fact that some people who are, 6'5", 6'6", 6'7", they would They would just need to increase the tension to make sure that it doesn't just go flying backwards, right? It's officially rated for anyone under 400 pounds. So I'm gonna dial it in to how I would use it if it was made for me, which it isn't. Probably loosen the lumbar a little bit. I'd probably leave it in full lean back mode, but I'd put like a high tension on it so that I can kind of find that balance point.
I feel the same way, yeah. It's because you can put a lot of tension on it. So like you really got to push back to.
Like I like that. I like when I'm changing my posture, I like to be very intentful about it. I don't like the chair to just kind of decide, oh yeah, now you're sitting here. That's kind of cool, okay. For people whose arms go in like this.
This is, yeah, it's for when you can like really lock yourself in. This is for when you're taking this thing on a roller coaster. Yeah, now we're talking. You're not going anywhere.
Safe.
Safe.
With arc armrests with extended adjustment range.
You can go way back.
Well, wait, is there a lock for this slider? No, it just slides. Interesting.
Oh, I didn't even notice it.
Yeah, there's a slider on it. Okay. Where's the charging port?
Oh yeah, okay, so the battery. Actually, there's a little battery right here.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Little cartridge.
Oh, that's actually way more convenient.
Kind of cool, actually. LiberNovo claims that when massage mode and electric lumbar adjustments are turned off, you can get up to 24 hours of battery life on low ventilation and up to 10 hours on high ventilation.
It's not a huge battery.
No.
3,000, I guess that's not really doing that much though.
It's just a single fan, effectively, and the piston.
I mean, I guess there's not too much else to say about a chair, right?
Yeah, like I wonder how much the fan sucks. What a good segue to I bought you a vape, Linus.
Sorry, what?
I bought you a vape. Suck it up.
What is happening? This is
Linus,
this
come here.
So weird.
Oh, I went a little too high. Wow.
It's warm. Oh, is it warm? Wait, it feels weird. It felt weird. Maybe I saw my crotch on fire and I freaked out a little. Okay, the fan is now turned on.
All right, come here, cameraman.
I mean,
wow. Look at that suck.
That is so weird.
Look at that suck.
This is not okay. HR.
This is the best day of work I've ever had.
Hold on. What is the airflow path?
It goes down.
It goes down.
That's why, so if you were to fart in the chair.
Yeah, it actually takes it away.
Well, it kind of disperses it.
That's genius.
It disperses it in a really nice way, you know?
Yeah.
It's really like very isolated, the sucking, you know?
Yeah, it's like right around your thighs, you know? Yeah, so it pulls down, like here, check this out. So you can see it's actually like, it's sucking in there as well, see that? This also illustrates pretty well how their breathable fabric works. So even though it's multiple layers, it's like obviously, pretty good at having things go through it. Enough of me sitting in it though, maybe someone larger should sit in it.
Big and tall.
There's a few things that make it designed for big, tall people. One of them is the obviously wider seat.
Yeah, this is, I got lots of space here. I'm not a huge guy, but I'm not a skinny guy by any means, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, I got lots of room to grow.
Yeah, these guys were known for their Omni, but it wasn't really like made for larger guys the same way that the Maxis is. They've got 3 different versions, like I said before. They've got the base one, they've got the one with the motor, they've got the one with the fan and motor. We'll have pricing for all of that on screen. What's this one worth?
Retail MSRP $18.59.
$18.59. And that, my friends, is how LiberNovo is affording this sponsored short circuit. Also, I mean, it's like I've seen a fair number of very expensive chairs. At least this one, I can see where the money's going. And not just that, but they offer a 5-year warranty on the structure and then 2 years on the electronics. So, cool. Subscribe to Short Circuit.
Please.